All right, here's an update from vaccination centers, how they're carrying out the third phase of the vaccination drive from across the country.
Mumbai is still reeling under the shortage of the vaccine. Today, the vaccination program for 18 years and above is being conducted only at 5 hospitals and centers in Mumbai. This program is going to run from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. I'm at the BKC Jumbo Vaccination Center, but still I can see many Mumbaikars crowding outside the vaccination centers. Many say they still don't have the slots, but feel they may succeed in getting over-the-counter registration. But BMC and the state government has appealed to the people that walk-ins and over-the-counter registrations will not be allowed, and only those people who have registered themselves and have got a slot, only they will get the vaccine, as the vaccine is in short supply. As far as the corona cases in Mumbai are concerned, they are on a decline. From the days when Mumbai used to record more than 10,000 cases, the city is now recording around 3,000 cases. Yesterday, Mumbai recorded 3,672 cases. But the count of active containment zones is still over 100. The count of active sealed buildings is still 903. So the danger is far from over. But at the present moment, what the Mumbai is reeling under is the shortage of vaccine. Though the BMC and the state government says that they are trying their level best to procure the vaccines as soon as possible. With camera person Mahesh More, this is Pankaj Upadhyay in Mumbai, reporting for India Today.
मैं परसों भी आया था, बट मैं स्लॉट लेके नहीं आया था और मुझे यहाँ आने के बाद पता चला कि वॉक इन फैसिलिटी अवेलेबल नहीं है, जिस वजह से मुझे घर वापस जाना पड़ा और आज मैं फिर आया हूँ स्लॉट्स लेके। तो मुझे आज कोवैक्सीन अभी मोर देन 40 मिनट हो गए हैं, मुझे लग चुकी है और अभी मैं बेटर, मतलब मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है। अभी तक मुझे कोई साइड इफेक्ट्स नहीं है उसके।
UP government has arranged for about 1.5 lakh of COVID vaccine doses of Covaxin and Covishield as well, and at the same time the stock for the 45 plus vaccination is separate. At the same time, it is very important that the government has prioritized this vaccination of 18 plus in 7 respective districts where the number of cases have increased, and the government is trying to give the priority to those districts and then giving the vaccine one by one to the other districts. Certainly this vaccine drive, which was much awaited, now people are coming in big numbers and there are waiting, long queues and long waiting on the portal as well to schedule their respective vaccine slot. But at the same time, people who were waiting for this opportunity to get the jab are coming in big numbers, and government here